Katiana. Today we're going to be talking about pyramids. More specifically, the volume of a period and how you find that. For our definition of volume, we have the amount of space taken by a 3D figure. For those who aren't aware, there's a difference between 2D and 3D figures, and that being that 2D is two-dimensional, and therefore you can kind of think of it as a flat surface where you'd only have to find this one side. However, if you're going to get a 3D figure, you have to think about everything that could possibly fit inside, kind of like a box or a cube here. And that's going to be the difference between the area of a 2D figure and the volume of a 3D figure. So that's the volume of a 3D figure is what we're looking for here. A pyramid is simply a 3D figure with a base consisting of 3 or more points, which will lead to an apex. Now it has to be 3 or more points, because with 2 points it's a 2D figure essentially, and with 1 point it's just a line. So 3 or more points. And so this can look something like this, or it's more commonly thought of as this one with the square base. So for the volume, we're looking for length times width or base times height. If you're thinking of it as a 2D figure, it's the same thing. You're just looking for this surface area here so that you can multiply it by the height, and that'll give you that. And then you want to divide by 3, simply because if you put a pyramid inside of a cylinder, you're going to have 1/3 of the amount. So if you simply have something along these lines where you've got the base here, and you can just kind of keep going. So if you've got something along those lines, and forgive my drawing here, then you've got, and you put this inside of this, this is going to come out to be basically here. So you've got this and this, which are 2/3, and then this is going to be the final third, and that's what you're solving for. You're just solving for that inner third. So if you've got a length of, say, 2 and a width of 6, and then you've got a height of 6, then you're going to have 2 times 6, which is going to give you the base area, which is going to be 12. So you know what, let's simplify this a bit more. So if you've got a length of 2 and a width of 3 and a height of 3, and that's going to make this a bit easier, then you're going to have the surface area here, and that's just 2 times 3 equals 6. And then you want to take the height and multiply it by that as well, and that's 3 as well. So that's going to give you a total answer of 18 for length times width times height. But because that would give you the area of this figure here, and you only want this one, then you have to divide by 3, since that's 1/3 of the cylinder. And that'll give you a final answer of 6. And that's how you get the volume of just the pyramid. Now, the key points to remember here are length times width times height divided by 3 for your total equation, or area of a base times the height divided by 3. And the other point that you want to remember is simply that a pyramid is going to be 1/3 of a cone, or a pyramid is going to be 1/3 of a cylinder, and that's why you have to divide by the 3. Thank you. Join us again.